Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Alchemix token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Alchemix represents a decentralized finance DeFi platform that merges the functionalities of digital assets management with innovative financial solution. It operates on the Ethereum blockchain, emphasizing the provision of self-repaying loans. This feature allows users to take loans against their collateral while simultaneously earning yield on that same collateral, introducing a novel approach to managing and leveraging digital assets. The platform supports a wide range of tokens, offering users flexibility in terms of assets they can leverage for loans. One of the standout features of Alchemix it is approach to risk management and assets products protection. It is built on a foundation that includes a purpose-built risk management infrastructure designed to offer programmable risk management and governance tools, ensuring the safety of assets on the platform. It supports full trade lifecycle management for an executive range of digital assets and integrates with numerous DeFi protocols, enhancing the versatility and utility of the platform. HMX token project institution rating is 4.1. LCMX token total supply is 2.62 million and circulating supply is around 2.51 million ALCX token. ALCX token is listed on Binance, Coinbase and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.